One, Grenada's economy expanded further in 2023, driven primarily by activity in the tourism sector as well as the construction sector. Two, the rate of inflation declined moderately, consistent with global trends. Three, labor market conditions improved as the economy continued to rebound, with jobs being added in tourism and other ancillary sectors. And four, the domestic banking sector remained stable with high levels of liquidity and relatively low non-performing loans.
The 2023 Fiscal Resilience Oversight Committee's annual report on the performance of the economy during 2023 and the medium-term economic outlook was presented by Leon Bullin, economist at the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, during a special press briefing this morning.
The Grenadian economy continued to do well. It had pretty robust economic growth. It was also successful in attracting FDI as it pursued its broader development objectives. And this was also reinforced by increased levels of public sector investments. So on the back of an expanding global economy, in 2023, growth is estimated at 5.5%, following growth of 7.3% in the prior year. And this outturn was shaped by the ongoing robust recovery in the tourism industry, as I mentioned earlier, proxied by the hotel and restaurants, which grew by 15.6%. Construction rose by 12.6%, and transport, storage, and communications by 5.2%. We also saw some positive contribution from education of 3.8%.
It noted, however, that there was some contraction in the agriculture sector of 6%, attributed to adverse weather conditions. He provided context for tourism remaining the driving force of the economy.
Tourism continues to be the key driver of growth in the economy, and this continued to expand in 2023, consistent with the global recovery in the demand for leisure services. Accordingly, total visitor arrivals increased by some 50.7% to 504,403 visitors, relative to 334,799 visitors in the prior year. Importantly here, all the major categories of travelers recorded strong growth, led by cruise passengers, which grew by 64.5%, stayover visitors 33.7%, and yacht passengers 31.1%.
So just what does Grenada's economic future look like?
Economy is projected, we may have been speaking about this, but it is projected to continue to expand in 2024, contingent on greater tourism activity and increased public and private sector construction projects. There are a number of hotel projects underway. There are major public sector projects. The Molyneux Landslip project, another G Cruise project, and other projects are underway that should add significantly to the economy. However, it is important to note that there are important risks to the global economy, which could severely impact or negatively impact Grenada's growth trajectory.
Christina John, GBN News.